Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 9, Administration of the State. We have already learned that the administration of our country functions at 3 levels: local level, state level and central level. In the previous year, we have learned about the working of local self-government institutions. In this chapter, we will learn about how the administration functions at the state level in democracy. What are the functions of the state government? What are the roles of ministers and members of the Legislative Assembly? How do people put forward their questions and ideas to the government? How do they ask for the fulfillment of their demands? To understand more about these questions, we shall take the example from the medical field. Now see the picture. According to the news on TV, 10 people have died in Surat due to cholera. How would I know? The only thing that I care about is that I am not affected by this. Can people really die due to an epidemic? I can hear a procession outside. We demand that the administration take immediate measure to control the epidemic. They should pay attention to maintain cleanliness and take steps to stop the epidemic from spreading. I think the people who are addressing the procession are leaders. Maybe it's because people are complaining against the cholera epidemic. Yes, they are leaders. I have seen them on TV. You have read about the incident of the cholera epidemic. You might have observed leaders of your area presenting health issue to the local health officials, the district collectors or the officials. But have you seen the member of Legislative Assembly, MLA of your area? Have you heard about the Legislative Assembly? The Legislative Assembly members are known as MLA or Member of Legislative Assembly. MLAs are directly elected by the people. After being elected from their constituency, they become the MLAs and form the government. Thus, we can conclude that MLAs are the representatives of the people. All the states of India have a legislative assembly. Each state is divided into different constituencies. From each constituency, one representative is elected by the people. The number of seats in the Legislative Assembly differs from state to state and is decided on the basis of population. Elections are held every 5 years. Candidates can either represent a particular party or stand for election as an independent candidate. Thus, the MLAs can belong to different parties. The Legislative Assembly of Gujarat has 182 seats and is situated in Gandhinagar, which is the capital. The Legislative Assembly meets in the Vittalbhai Patel Vidhan Sabha Graha. Children, you can see the picture 9.1, Legislative Assembly of Gujarat. Let us learn about how a minister or the chief minister is selected from among the MLAs. The party which has the largest number of MLAs or gains a majority with the support of other parties and or independent candidates forms the government. The governor appoints the leader of the majority party as the chief minister. He or she is invited to form the Council of Ministers. The party that forms the government is known as the ruling party, while the other party forms the opposition. After elections, the governor appoints the chief minister and the council of ministers who will collectively responsible for the administration of the state and the functioning of the various ministries. Each ministry is housed in different office premises. The Legislative Assembly is the place where all the MLAs belonging to both the ruling parties and the opposition assembly for discussion. Many MLAs have dual responsibilities as an MLA and as a minister. The other organ of the state government is the executive, which comprises of the governor, the chief minister, and the council of ministers. The administrative officials who work under the guidance and control of the ministers are also a part of the executive body. The council of ministers are called government executives, while the while the administrative officials are known as administrative executive. Now children, in my next video I will explain you the further topic. Thank you.